Introducing Jamaican Stone, an ancient remedy that's helping thousands of men delay ejaculation and last longer during intimate moments. Premature ejaculation is a challenge faced by many men worldwide, affecting both confidence and relationships. But what if there was a natural way to regain control and enhance your performance in bed?
Jamaican Stone is known for its powerful properties that increase stamina and improve control. Just a small application can make a big difference, allowing you to satisfy your partner like never before. Thousands of men are already experiencing the benefits of Jamaican Stone, enjoying longer-lasting and more fulfilling intimate moments. Join them and take control of your sexual health today.
Want to learn more? Visit our website or check the link in the description below. Shop now and elevate your experience. JamaicanBlackstone.com